Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Alphabet Adventure. Today, we're diving into the ocean to explore the outstanding letter O.
This is the letter O. O makes the sound ah or O, like an octopus. Can you say it with me? O. Great. Here's an octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms, and they live underwater. Can you pretend to wiggle your arms like an octopus? Next, here's an orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. Do you like eating oranges? And look at this ostrich. Ostriches are the biggest birds in the world. But they can't fly. They love to run fast. Can you run like an ostrich? Let's play a game. Which of these starts with O? Is it the octopus? Or the car? That's right. Octopus starts with O. Octopus. Orange. Ostrich.
Let's pick up a book and read it now.
Oscar the Owl finds an orange. Oscar the Owl wakes up at night. He spots something round and orange on the ground. Oscar picks it up. What is this? He asks. He tastes it. It's an orange, so juicy. O is for owl. O is for orange.
Today, we learned all about the letter O. Octopus. Orange. Ostrich. Next time, we'll explore the letter P. Can you think of a word that starts with P? See you soon, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more alphabet adventures.